In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Smartsheet. If you've been working on Smartsheet and find yourself needing a broader view of your project, knowing how to adjust the zoom can make a big difference in your productivity and comfort. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, I'll guide you through these simple yet effective techniques step by step. First, let's talk about using keyboard shortcuts, a quick and efficient method for zooming out. If you're on a Windows computer, you'll want to use the combination of pressing the Control key along with the minus sign located on the number row of your keyboard. This instantly reduces the zoom level, allowing you to see more of your workspace. For those of you using a Mac, the process is just as easy. You'll want to press the Command key and the minus sign together to achieve the same result. This makes it incredibly convenient to quickly adjust your view without taking your hands off the keyboard. Now, sometimes after zooming in or out, you might want to return to the default zoom level. This can be helpful if you've inadvertently distorted your view or if you simply prefer the original setting. On a Windows PC, you can easily reset the zoom level by pressing Ctrl and 0 at the same time. For Mac users, the combination to revert back to the default is Command and 0. This function is particularly useful when you need to recalibrate your visual layout to its original configuration after working with various zoom levels. Next, let's discuss using the mouse scroll feature. This method gives you a bit more control over the zoom adjustment as it allows for gradual changes rather than preset increments. If you're working on a Windows system, start by holding down the Control key. Then, take your mouse, and while keeping the Control key pressed, scroll down with the mouse wheel. This action will smoothly zoom out, offering a wider view of your spreadsheet. For those on a Mac, the procedure is quite similar. Press and hold the Command key, and then scroll down using the mouse wheel. This technique is excellent for users who prefer more intuitive and fluid zoom adjustments, especially when trying to set a precise level that suits their specific needs. By mastering these methods, you can efficiently manage how much or how little of your Smartsheet project you want to view at any given time. Remember, being able to quickly zoom in and out without interrupting your workflow can enhance your efficiency and overall user experience. Go ahead. Try it out, and see how much easier navigating through your Smartsheet becomes. Happy zooming!